Hello guys. Okay, if your iOS device is unusable and if you get this error 9 or any other similar error during flashing the new firmware, I have a solution that might work for you guys. So to start off, update your iTunes to the latest version. Next, what you have to do is there's this Chinese tool called i4 Tools. I have linked it in the description. Download it, and finally, just download your IPSW firmware. Okay, now connect your iPhone to your computer. Open the i4 Tools app. Open the iTunes. iTunes might say your device is corrupted and you need to format it. Click Format. Usually, when you click Format, it'll give you the error 9, but have the i4 Tools app running in background, and it won't hopefully give you the error again. And that's it. Your iPhone will, or any other iOS device will hopefully start to work again with the help of this i4 Tools app. I don't entirely know why this error goes away when you're using i4 Tools app, but in my case, I got this error after replacing my iPhone with third-party battery, and it could be iTunes preventing me from using my iPhone because of that. So anyway, let me know in the comments if this worked for you. See ya.